Getting you guys ready for tomorrow. You're going to be installing some smoke detectors, which is an amazing thing. You're getting a chance to save lives. Got it? Next one. Look pretty athletic. Ready? Hands up. You're going to go around the back, under the leg, toss it up, off the head. All right, last one. You'll pass it to me in the middle. Stand in the middle. Easiest of all, around the back 2 times. Under the leg 2 times. Turn around, halfway, just like that. All right, now we usually do this to the tune of our very own theme song. It's called Sweet Georgia Brown, but we don't have that song, so I need you guys' help. We're gonna do a quick beat like this. Nice. Here we go. I got some. That's funny. Just cheating.
Have you ever done that?
Let's see if we can do this, Brad. Oh, yes, we can.
This year in Pocahontas, that was the area that I focused on, and we had focused on an area in Pocahontas that had been flooded as of the home fire campaign last year in 2017. We don't ever expect fires to happen to us, but when they do, and I have worked so many fires this past year that it just devastates you. And the worst thing that can happen is that we lose lives. It's a terrible thing that people don't really think about. You have 2 minutes once the fire alarm sounds to get out of your house. And it's very important that we prepare, and prepare our children especially. So if we have a fire alarm in our house, it will alert us, and these things are very loud. We've tested every one that we put in with the clients today. But the kids in the house, they need to know what the sound is like, and they need to be prepared. We give them a grid that they can actually draw out their house and draw an escape plan. We encourage everyone in the house, elderly, disabled, children. You can replace the furniture, you can replace the clothes, you can replace the appliances, but you cannot replace the lives.
Hey, one more time I want to say thank you so much to the Northeast Arkansas chapter of the American Red Cross. From my friends at the world famous Hospital of Dallas, thank you guys so much.